Toyota's history dates back to more than 75 years. Sakichi Toyoda created innovative designs, and one of them earned the inventor enough money to start the Toyota Motor Company. There are many amazing facts about the history of Toyota, and those are what we would discuss in the Toyota's company story. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Toyota Motor Corporation, the Japanese parent company of the Toyota Group, became the world's largest automaker for the first time in 2008, surpassing General Motors. Many of the nearly 1,000 subsidiaries and affiliates are involved in the manufacture of automobiles, automobile parts, and commercial and industrial vehicles. Toyota is headquartered in Toyota City, an industrial city east of Nagoya, Japan. In 1924, Sakichi Toyoda developed the Toyota Model G automatic loom. And, later in 1929, the British company Platt Brothers bought the patent for the automatic loom, which generated the initial capital for the development of the automobile. In 1933, Toyoda Kiichiro started what would later become Toyota Motor Corporation as part of Toyota Automatic Loom Works, Limited. The automatic loom later became Toyota Industries Corporation, now a subsidiary of Toyota. The first car produced there, the Model AA sedan, was launched in 1936. The next year the division was renamed Toyota Motor Company, Limited, registered under the direction of Kiichiro. Toyota set up several affiliated companies, including Toyota Machine Works Limited in 1941, and Toyota Auto Body Limited in 1945. During the Second World War, the company stopped producing passenger cars and focused on trucks. Given the destroyed facilities and a disordered economy after the Second World War, the company did not resume car production until 1947, with the unveiling of the SA model. By the 1950s, Toyota's automobile manufacturing plants were working at full capacity. In order to become competitive, the company began a thorough study of American automakers due to the seeming technical and economic superiority of the United States. Toyota executives explored the manufacturing facilities of companies, including Ford Motor Company, to observe the latest in automotive manufacturing technology, and in turn applied it in their facilities, resulting in an almost instant increase in efficiency. Toyota Motor Sales, USA Incorporated was founded in 1957. The next year, the company launched the Toyota sedan, the first model marketed in the United States. It wasn't greatly received because it was expensive and lacked horsepower. The Land Cruiser, a 4x4 utility vehicle from 1958, performed better. In 1965, the Toyota, entirely restructured for American drivers, was relaunched as the Toyota Corona. This was the company's first major success in the United States. The excitement turned into pessimism when the Toyota, a sturdy vehicle with quality features and enough space, was unfortunately too weak and too expensive for the US market. Toyota sales were delayed and ceased in 1961. The fabulous Land Cruiser, also known as a durable off-road vehicle, carried the Toyota flag in the United States until the Toyota Corona arrived in 1965. Corona, America's first popular Toyota, was designed precisely for American drivers, featuring a powerful engine, factory-installed air conditioner, and automatic transmission. Corona facilitated the triple-times sale of Toyota vehicles in the US to more than 20,000 units in 1966. In the 1960s and 1970s, the company grew rapidly until they started exporting large numbers of cars to foreign markets. Toyota eventually bought companies such as Hino Motors Limited, a manufacturer of buses and large trucks, in 1966, Nippon Denso Company Limited, a manufacturer of automotive electrical components, and Daihatsu Motor Company Limited in 1967. Toyota was the largest automaker in Japan for several decades. The company continued to flourish in the American market, making a name for itself for its reliable, affordable, and fuel-efficient vehicles such as the Corolla, which was introduced in the United States in 1968. Since then, Corolla has been the world's best-selling car of all time, with more than 30 million vehicles sold in more than 140 countries. In 1972, Toyota sold its millionth vehicle. Towards the end of 1975, Toyota surpassed Volkswagen to become the main import brand in the United States. In 1978, Toyota won the import Triple Crown by topping all import brands in all car, truck, and vehicle sales. The company adopted its current name in 1982, when the Toyota Motor Company and Toyota Motor Sales Company were merged. After 2 years, Toyota teamed up with General Motors Corporation to create New United Motor Manufacturing Incorporated. This was designed as a two-brand manufacturing facility in California, where Toyota commenced production in the United States in 1986. With inventions in 1989 such as the luxury brand Lexus LS400 and ES250, and the world's first series hybrid vehicle, the Prius in 1997, the company recorded noteworthy growth well into the 21st century. In 1998, Toyota launched its first full-size pickup truck, the Tundra. In 1999, Toyota was listed on the London Stock Exchange as well as the New York Stock Exchange. Toyota ushered in the new millennium with the introduction of the Prius, the world's first series of hybrid gas and electric car. The Prius, Latin for go before, was groundbreaking, with an EPA estimated fuel economy rating of 45 city/51 highway, and ultra-clean exhaust emissions that were 90% less per hour than conventional cars when gas was formed. The company continued to penetrate new markets, especially with the introduction of its Scion brand as a third vehicle line in 2003, aimed specifically at younger buyers. In 2005, Toyota expanded its environmentally friendly product line with the introduction of the world's first luxury hybrid, the Lexus RX 400h, and a hybrid option for the Toyota Highlander. In 2007, its 50th anniversary in the US, Toyota unveiled its largest pickup to date, the rugged 2008 Toyota Tundra, as well as the second generation of its iconic Scion XP city utility vehicle, and the world's first V8 hybrid, the Lexus LS600h. On March 11, 2011, a 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck the Tohoku area of Japan. It was the strongest earthquake ever in Japan, followed by a tsunami that killed nearly 16,000 people. Cities were wrecked and many businesses were closed, including 4 Toyota plants. When production returned to previous stages, there were floods in Thailand that caused the suspension of the production at 2 other plants. Notwithstanding these natural disasters, production returned to near normal levels by the end of the year, a testament to Toyota's resilience and efficiency. With the great efforts of its partners in Japan and around the world, Toyota quickly recovered from supply troubles caused by natural disasters and began salvaging its sales energy in 2012 as vehicle dealerships were fully stocked. In the first half of 2014, US regulators recalled millions of vehicles made by Toyota and several other car companies because Japanese auto parts supplier Takata was suspected to have been making defective airbags. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, the proactive move was the largest and most complex safety recall in US history. Now, Toyota has assembly plants and distributors in several countries. Other than the automotive products, the subsidiaries manufacture rubber and cork materials, synthetic resins, steel, automatic looms, and cotton and woolen goods. The other divisions handle real estate, prefabricated houses, and the import and export of raw materials. In March 2021, Toyota, its subsidiary Hino, and Isuzu broadcasted the formation of a calculated partnership between the 3 companies. Toyota acquired a 4.6% stake in Isuzu, while the latter plans to buy Toyota shares at an equivalent value. The 3 companies announced they would set up a new joint venture called Commercial Japan Partnership Technologies Corporation in April to develop fuel cells and electric light trucks. While Toyota would own an 80% stake in the company, Hino and Isuzu would each own 10%. In April 2021, Toyota announced it would purchase Lyft for $550 million to improve autonomous driving technology. Toyota has continued to thrive to create a reliable vehicle, with high performance and better safety features. They are currently one of the major auto manufacturers in the world, and they continue to fight closely against GM and Ford for first place. The company had a goal of carving a niche in the American automotive market, and with more than 5.5 million vehicles produced annually and many award-winning designs, Toyota has exceeded that goal. The Toyota brand is now associated with reliability and performance while they continue with the innovative technology to provide new ideas for the future. What do you think about Toyota's company story? Thanks for watching this video. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.